Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Belle and today we are back at it again with another reactions video. We're going to be continuing on with Chainsaw Man. We are now on episode 4. So on the last episode, in episode 3, we saw Power kind of trick Denji into helping her get her cat Meowie, but instead she ends up betraying Denji a little bit and kind of gives him up for the Bat Devil. But oh my gosh, they did have an awesome fight scene. Right now, Power was eaten by the Bat Devil, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I feel about Power yet because yeah, she betrayed Denji, but also she was doing it for Meowie. Like I said in the last episode, I feel like Denji would do that for Pochita. So, I don't know. I'm excited to see what happens next. So, let's get on with it. What? Oh, it's Power. I was like, what happened? I'm scared. For Meowie. Oh. Ow. Ow. Oh, you guys are together in the tummy? Oh? Denji? Denji, you powerful man. Oh my gosh. No. Please. Such a foolish reason. She's like, why did you save me? I betrayed you. And he's like, Denji, please. I don't know about lying in his stomach. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wait, what happened? What is that? Oh my gosh. What is that? Uh-oh. Why is he bleeding like that? Uh-oh. Batty just... Oh, he was my man. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, he has no hands still. Power, please. I mean... Okay, so I'm thinking maybe to everyone he's like this silly guy who just wants to fondle, and that's what everyone thinks. But then Aki was like, everyone is serious about this except for you. So maybe in reality, he's serious about it, and that everyone just thinks like less of him, but he still fights for them. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Everyone wants to. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm one of them. I'm sorry. Okay, so my bad. Those are really his dreams. And again, he said that just because other people's dreams are different, that doesn't make us, hot stuff. So my bad. I was one of them. I sincerely apologize, Denji. Yeah, no, have your dream. It's as good as any dream, especially since it makes you fight this much. I'm so sorry. You're so right. Who am I to judge? I'm so sorry. Oh, it's a dream battle. Oh, ew. Just the stomach intestines. I don't like it. Also, will he grow an arm back? Oh. Okay, he's acting a little unhinged. Oh, he's not done. He's not done. Ow, 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 ow. Oh. What? Aki? Aki? She's a leech. Ah, that's why she looks like that. I don't like it. Okay, Aki? Okay, before we continue on, Aki? What is this? Aki? Aki? What Aki? What? Aki? I don't know. What is happening? Everyone's surprising me. My dream battle. Oh no, he lost his dream battle, kind of. Where'd you put it? Oh. Power seems cool though. They want to thank him. I mean, he's not super wrong. I love Denji. So I love Denji because, okay, yeah, his dream is small. And me, I'm just like, that can't just be his only dream. But I mean, like, I guess it's his only dream. But there is one thing that he has over everybody else. You can count on him. He's very weirdly loyal. Like, a little too loyal to people, But you can count on him. I like him a lot. And I like the way that he reacts to everything. Like, nothing really affects him that much. Like, he's been through worse, so this is nothing to him. I love him. I love him. Try and learn some. They're not making friends. They're not friends. Aki, why are you so serious all the time? Do you like her, Aki? Does Aki like her? Covered for them.
ご苦労様。でも、デンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだね。つらは信じがたいほどの。エリア内からのいつ。
Any little holes in their story, he's just like, they're just that dumb. They're just that dumb. Makima looks a little too smart for this.
わかりました。
Oh. But we both know she knows too much.
少し頭が柔らかくなった。デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。まさか。何も。
Pretty. Of course he has a grinder. Of course he has the coffee grinder. Of course he does a drip. Seems like him. Very serious, very stoic type of drink. What a relaxing morning. That's a good morning. Oh. Spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Oh, it just goes naturally straight up? He doesn't have to put product in it? He has 2 bandages, so he gave up more blood? Oh, it's for lunch. Why is he crawling? Why is Denji crawling? Oh. Oh, it's just power. A 3rd roommate. Oh no. I feel so bad for him. That looks good though. Uh-oh, uh-oh. What? I would hate for her to be my roommate. Oh, the twitch. Ew. Poor Denji. She closed the door? Okay, okay, of course, there's a trick. Okay, deserved. Also deserved. Also deserved. Oh. She's an angel. This man literally goes, she's an angel. With little horns, literal horns on her head. But she's an angel. So that was the end of episode 4. This episode we saw in this episode we saw Denji. You can see that sometimes he doesn't have his power. Like, I guess if he loses too much blood, and you see kind of what happens. Like, he's not able to like rub himself up into becoming a chainsaw man, which is very interesting. I wonder like what his cooldown is, what he needs in order to do it. I don't know. Interesting. We see Aki have another roommate. Probably, in my opinion, even worse than his first roommate. I don't think I could live with her. If the only thing that Denji does is eat so much food, I will take that. I cannot take someone who's like, I only flush occasionally. No. 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 But we also see Denji defend her. Like, he kind of covered for her, but only so, she holds her end of the bargain. But anyways, that was such a funny episode. Chainsaw Man is way too fun to watch. And I cannot wait for the next one. I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Bye.